Today we are in downtown Celebration, Florida, and we wanted to do a little tour of what downtown looks like. We did come to Celebration Town Tavern, did a video on that. It was wonderful. So we thought, let's come back down here and actually film like their little downtown area. So that's what we're doing today. Let's go check it out. With my parents today, and this is just kind of the outskirts of like the main drag up here. I know Celebration Town Tavern is just like that way, and we actually parked in that parking lot last time we came to Celebration Town Tavern, but we found parking behind us. This is all 1 hour parking, 8 to 5. I don't know if that applies to the weekend or not, but
Also after 5.
it is after 5, so it really doesn't matter. But one thing about this area, it's very quiet right now. Listen. Yeah, it's nice. So we're at Celebration and Market right here. Here's their little Market Street clock. It's kind of hard to see. Bank of America over here. Nice little fountain area. And then this is where we're gonna start the tour on this side. So I think I'm gonna cross the street right over here, get a good shot going this way. Now, nice little fountain area. Now, something I'll throw in here is we love watching a person on YouTube called Adam the Woo. We've watched him for a little while, actually for a long time. And he always starts his videos like right here, which is pretty cool to think about. It's where he starts them. A lot of his videos. Got a post office over here to the left, right there. And then this little main drag that with the lights is what we'll be filming. Saturday, 10 p.m. community event. Looks like there's a farmer's market maybe every Sunday at 9 there was an event today.
Other shoots with drones during the farmer's market.
Wow, that's interesting. So we won't be filming that ever. There's a Thai place. Christmas time they used to do, I don't know if they do it anymore, but they used to do like the Snope, the Florida snow over all this area here. Lights will be on. Here's a bakery. Ooh. See my parents looking in there, seeing what kind of baked goods they've got. Smells so good. We've got soft as a grape. That's actually a pretty cool Celebration shirt right there. Look at that. Be back in 10 minutes. Food and wine right here. Upper Crust. Now, if you're familiar with Celebration, Florida, let us know some places we should go and eat, because we did do the video at the Celebration Town Tavern, which we'll show you here in just a second. But it also, up here, there's quite a bit to do that way. Downtown Diner. That is probably a good little place to try. We're gonna head right first and then circle on around. Looks like quite a bit of outdoor seating on this little restaurant here. And up here we have Celebration Town Tavern. I'm telling you, some of the best clam chowder we have ever had. Would recommend checking out our video on that, which I'll put that video at the end of this video you can watch. Parking over here, that's kind of where we parked last time. But man, this place is, we just ate, or I would be going back here for sure. And then over here we have a Starbucks. Might have to hop in there and get us a drink. And then the Celebration Hotel. That'd be fun to check out one of these days. Stay in. We'll cross the street here by the Starbucks and then kind of go up and around that way. There's you got Eye Care, Celebration Eye Care, and a few, we're gonna cross, and a few other places over there on the outskirts. Here's the Starbucks, and then we're heading this way. So inside this Starbucks, it shows the original Starbucks in Washington, and we did a video walking by that original Starbucks. In fact, there we were right there, just walking down this little path. Over here, this is avocado. That'd be a fun place to try. It smells super good. Look at that. Also, I was gonna get a green iced tea peach iced tea lemonade. They did not have that, so they made me a green iced tea strawberry lemonade. Pretty tasty. Hey, we heard this song in concert. We actually filmed the Enrique concert that we went to.
And Ricky Martin.
And Ricky Martin, yep. All right, down here we have the Celebration Hotel. We will have to come stay here sometime and do a tour. Looks really nice. Lakeside Bar and Grill Celebration. Look at this. Now you will see occasionally some gators over here in this water. In fact, I think I see, there's no way I can show it to you over there, but I think I see one that way.
What?
A gator.
Oh, yeah.
You can't see with the reflection, but there's definitely one over there. Look at how peaceful this is. Maybe we'll do the whole walk, but there's a walking path all the way around here. Doesn't look like it's gonna rain. Perfect temperature right now with the overcast. Got some people fishing right here. Hope it doesn't rain. If it doesn't rain, it's gonna be a nice little evening. If it rains, that might be an issue. This is the path we just came down a second ago. We're gonna head over to this other side. We will see if we can spot that gator. It's over on this side. Look at these peaceful little seats. We've actually been here where it's been flooded up here. Right over there, I don't think you can see in the video, but right over there, there's a gator. So we just came from this way. Looks like there's a map up here. A lot of like history with this being a Disney community. A lot of history. I don't know much about it because I haven't read much about it, but there's plenty of videos out there that will tell you what all it's about. So we have the town center, little map. I think the gator's still over here. Let's look. Yep, there's the gator. Right there in the middle of the water, right there. Little bitty gator. Showing off this side a little bit. There's the gator. Oh, and a soft-shelled turtle right there. A lot of wildlife. Oh, there's another gator over there. I didn't know that either. That's hard to see in the reflection. 2 gators right over in this water. Little gator guy right here coming towards us. Here is the Kilwins ice cream. I believe they have one at Spanish Springs at the Villages and also St. Augustine. And I mentioned Adam the Woo earlier. I recommend checking out his channel. He films around here and kind of tells more about the history because he knows a lot more about it. But this used to be the old movie theater. Really cool looking. Here's the other gator. Gator. And another turtle. Right here they have a little splash pad with kids playing in it. We're gonna just head over this way. Looks like parking's all along the street too. Here are some of the fountain rules. Do not use the fountain if you are ill with diarrhea. Also says restrooms available at Kilwins. Now they also have a Columbia restaurant here. I forgot they had that. Well, we've been wanting to do a review. You know, there's one in Ybor City, the original. There's one right here and there's one in St. Augustine. We gotta try one of them sometime. We are gonna head over this way. Oh, they've got some basketball courts down here. Looks like maybe they're little tennis. I'm sure wherever there's tennis, there's pickleball. Head over to this little park area. They've got some electric vehicle chargers, half mile. Don't be fooled by the fake duck out there. That's just a fake duck. Yeah, I think we're gonna do like a little lap around this little walking trail, just to see what it's like. There's a swimming pool over there. Bet this is pretty at nighttime. Got some green space over this way. Again, be careful. There are gators in here, clearly gators, so I wouldn't get too close to the water. That's that Celebration Hotel we were just at. Please do not feed the wildlife. Help keep the area clean. Probably won't go all the way on that trail. It looks like a pretty large trail, but just kind of maybe up to this bridge, just so we can see what it looks like. Nice little play area for kids. A little bunny rabbit over here. Pavilion, got a grill. I don't know what this way is, but there's a cabbage palm. Looks like just maybe a trail. Backyard birds. This is a peaceful trail, that's for sure. If you lived over here, you could come out and walk this every day. Just look at this bridge. I think we'll turn around here, but there's some benches along the way. Probably nice sunset, nice sunrise area. All right, we're gonna head back this way and go back down the middle section. All right, here's the Columbia restaurant again. We're gonna go on this side of the road. Can't wait to try that place. Oh, that's still part of the Columbia restaurant. I really wish this was still open. Kilwin's Wolfgang Bakery and Grooming. I think last time we were down here, we walked into that place. It was pretty neat. Pet store. French pastries. Yeah, that's a pretty neat store there. Ooh. Japanese cuisine. There's parking over there. And back up here, what do we got here? I guess Italian. Okay, so we came down that side. Now we're coming this side. The Soap Tree. Ooh. Ooh, Christmas. Yeah, I remember this store. It's got a lot of good stuff in there, so I'd recommend stopping in Market Street Gallery. And down this way, we've got Cornerstone Market and Deli. And then now we're back to where we started. So hopefully that gave you a good tour of what, look at those pretzels, what this little celebration downtown area is like. There's the fountain up there and the post office. Back at the little fountain. Very pretty over there too. Okay, that was our tour of downtown Celebration, Florida. It's actually a pretty neat little spot. Plenty of things to do, plenty of restaurants. We'll have to stay in that hotel sometime. And it's very enjoyable. If you have been to other restaurants down here, comment below and let us know which one we should go to, because, well, Columbia is gonna be one of them.
Okay, that's already on our list.
I don't know if it's at this one or what location we're gonna go to, but we gotta go to Columbia sometime. And then other than that, I mean, we'll go to others, I'm sure. Really nice place. Enjoyed coming down here and walking around. We'll have to come at Christmas time. I also think they do a pretty good Halloween deal with like some of the houses over here. We'll have to look that up too. And we will for sure be back sometime. Oh, anyway, with that being said, that does it for today. Thanks for watching.